AI automation is the use of artificial intelligence to perform tasks automatically that normally require human effort, judgment, or decision making. Unlike traditional automation, which follows fixed rules, AI automation can learn, adapt, and improve over time based on data. To understand this properly, it helps to separate automation from AI automation. Traditional automation is rigid. You tell a system if X happens, do Y. For example, if a customer submits a form, send them an email. That works, but it doesn't think, adapt, or improve. AI automation adds intelligence on top of automation. The system doesn't just execute steps, it analyzes input, recognizes patterns, and makes decisions, and sometimes generates new content or actions on its own. In simple terms, AI automation plus decision making plus learning. Now, let's make this real. Okay? Here's a real world example: customer support automation. Instead of hiring human, right, to answer repetitive questions like right here, I tapped it on my online notepad. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? What are your business hours? An AI automation system can read the customer's message, understand intent using natural language processing, pull the correct information from a database, respond instantly, like 24/7. And here is where AI automation shines, excuse me. If customers keep asking the same new question, the system can learn it, update responses, and improve accuracy without you manually rewriting every rule. Next, a real world example too: content creation. Okay, an AI automation workflow can take a topic idea, research competitors automatically, generate a draft article or script, optimize it for SEO, or schedule it for publishing. Instead of hours of manual work, the system executes everything in sequence, with AI handling the thinking part. Okay? So you can go ahead to Notion, for example, if you want to create a template or something like that. You could just tell Notion that I want template, board, table, whatever, and Notion AI will respond and basically give you the content that you need, right? So it says, right, for example, auto sort my video ideas by effort versus reward and color code by priority, and just let AI automation do its thing. Okay. Next, a real world example: sales and lead qualification. Imagine receiving 100 leads per day. Okay, AI automation can analyze each lead's behavior, score them based on likelihood to buy, automatically follow up with personalized messages, right? Notify human only when lead is hot. Okay, this removes 80 to 90% of manual work while increasing conversion rates. Another example: market and competitor research. AI automation tools can track competitor pricing changes, monitor social media trends, analyze customer sentiment, summarize insights into reports. Instead of manually checking websites or reading endless data, the AI delivers actionable insights. So at its core, AI automation is about delegating thinking tasks, not just mechanical ones. How to start with AI automations? Okay, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want more of this, let me know in the comments below. And we will see you in the next one.